Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to show you how to make char cloth without a char tin. And it's not rocket science. You just simply take it, set your fabric on fire, you watch it until the entire thing turns black and snuff it out. And that'll give you char cloth around the edges. So since the whole thing won't be charred, you want to make sure that you have your tinder highly processed and ready to go. We're going to be using flint and steel to ignite the char cloth, and these two pieces of quartz that I found last Sunday when I was walking that new trail looking for arrowheads. There was plenty of good sharp quartz everywhere, so we'll use that. Alright, take whatever 100% cotton fabric you have that you feel like you want to devote to the cause. Cut a few pieces off, I don't know, 2 by 2. Doesn't matter. I got 2 by 2, I got like 3 by 2. Doesn't matter. Let's see. Let's do 3. And put it on a stick. Put it on a skewer. Like so, and you snuff it out with the very fabric that you just used. So stick this up here. Let me get that ready. So we'll stick it right here, stick it right here, and snuff it out. So let's go ahead and make it, and then we'll process the pine needles in a minute. And so the fire that you struggle to make, let's say you're in a survival situation and you was able to go ahead and use some kind of friction fire technique, hand drill, bow drill, and you did go ahead and get your fire. Well, you might want to make this kind of char cloth before you leave that fire. And make sure you get the ashes too. And when everything gets completely black, you want to go ahead and snuff it out. Alright, they're still ignited, so I'm going to take them off the stick so I can really snuff them out good. This time they should snuff out. Now, the very center where the hole is at, it's not going to be charred. It's going to be charred mostly around the edges there. But that should be enough to get three fires very easily, especially with pine needles. So let me go ahead and process them, and we'll try our char cloth out. There's a piece on the ground. I'll pick it up. No, there's that piece on the ground. Here it is. Right, that worked out well, didn't it? Other than I didn't get it laid down on my quartz very well. Here's a good sharp edge. We'll see if we can use that good sharp edge there. It's all about the sharp edges, isn't it? Yeah, we'll try that edge right there. All right. Let's use this one next. That looks nice and big, doesn't it? Let's try that. I like to wave because it's constant aeration, and as long as that smoke is increasing, you want to keep on waving it, because that may be your only chance to get the flames. So it may look funny on camera, but that doesn't matter. Alright. Just one last tattered piece. Let's see, I got a sharp edge right here. We'll use this edge right here. Oh. Broke in two. I'll just put that in on top of the ignited char cloth. Before you start waving, though, you want to build up a very big ember. Alright, I don't mean to make it look harder than what it is, but it's always a little more difficult trying to get everything on camera, on video, but this is a great way to make char cloth if you don't have a tin. I hope you'll give it a try and practice with it some. Alright, y'all. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.